all the people out there. So today we are going to Mangrove Beach, which is in Quwain in UAE. Quwain is one of the 7 Emirates of UAE, and my son will tell you what are the other 6 Emirates. I know this is nothing new for you guys, but it's just that I'm making this video, and that's why he also wants to participate, and that's why. So Ayansh, can you tell me the 7 Emirates of UAE?
UAE?
Loudly.
Okay. Sharjah, Fujairah, Dubai.
Loudly, they cannot hear.
Sharjah, Fujairah, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Umm Ras Al Khaimah.
So, did you guys count? Did he say 7 Emirates? Because I didn't count. So, this Quwain is one of the 7 Emirates, as I told you. So, we'll be going there. So, as you all know by now that wherever I go, I go with my friends. And Priyanka, she's coming right away. She's on her way. This is our building. And she stays just behind us. So, she'll be coming and picking us. And then we will go there, and from there I'll again keep you posted. So keep watching, guys. Love you all. So guys, we started our journey. We are in Priyanka's car now. See Priyanka. Aishi, you would like to say something while we are going? I already told them, but any more information you have?
Yeah.
What? Tell me.
We're going to a beach.
Yeah, that I already told them. Any new information you have about the beach?
The beach we are going to.
Okay, social. Okay, and social dance moves with this song. Dance. Okay, Priyanka will show. See, she's a very good dancer, guys. I'll do a video on her dance. All right, keep watching. We are here at the Mangrove Beach, but we are not getting the beach yet. So we actually don't know which way to go. So we just called one of our friend who came here last week. So he will guide us. So I'll pan the camera. I'll show you what a beautiful place this is. Okay, have a look, guys. Check it out.
Don't go inside. Don't close that. Don't go show. That Pakhi bada. So many birds are there. See?
So did you see that? Isn't it very beautiful?
So natural.
So we don't know where we will go and how we will reach those places. Far away we can see some people, no, not people, but we can see cars, some tents, but we don't know how to reach there. So we just turned on our Google map now and we will see how we will reach there. Okay? So keep watching. Okay, keep watching. Watch the full video. You will love it. I assure you. Okay. Bye-bye. Sitting behind the car, so I cannot give you a very good picture of this place. It's a very nice view. So we have reached Mangrove Beach finally. So after getting down, you'll get to see more. Keep watching, guys. Guys, we have reached and see this beautiful place. You can see people are doing kayaking there. This is a small kid who is doing kayaking there. You need to rent, I guess, from there, and then you can go for kayaking. Wow, such a lovely view. You can see so many birds over here. See the color of the water, guys. Isn't it amazing? And you can see the serene beauty, you know.
See birds. See?
Yeah, right. Maybe you cannot see because I cannot zoom and show you like that. Otherwise, the picture will not come good. So this is our group. Heyman Bhaiya, how are you feeling coming here?
Very good.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Priyanka? Huh?
Amazing place.
Amazing place. Aishi, how is it?
It was very amazing.
It was very amazing, or it is?
It is very amazing and it's cool.
Can you liking it?
No.
No? What's wrong with this place?
Why no? Why no?
He is Hemant Bhaiya's friend. See what is happening here. Oh my god. Oh my god. See. See what is happening. It's very cold actually. It's very cold. This place is very cold.
It's cool.
So after this, kids will play here. did got some food with us because
mangroves
here you will.
around.
Yeah, my husband want to say something. He will give you some information on this place. Yeah, tell me.
You can see all mangroves here and there. You can do kayaking also.
I told them. Yay! Bhaiya, what is your name? I forgot. What is your name? I forgot. This is Ravi Bhaiya. Today he joined us in this trip. Water. Isn't it lovely, guys? You must come here, you know. You must come here. I feel like going straight walking. And I'm sure I can reach that place. Would you like to join me, guys? Come on. Let's go together. Come on. Let's go. I'm going. Bye. It's very cold, trust me, it's very, very cold. So I'm going out right now. I'll have some lunch. I have got some parathas, yummy parathas. So we'll eat that. Then I'll take you to that place. I'll go walking and you guys will follow me. Okay? Bye-bye. It's a very romantic place and you can see our lovely couple Priyanka and Hemant. We are giving different lovely poses for the cameraman over here. See, these two cameramen are busy clicking their photo. You can speak, Bappa. It's okay. You can speak. He said something. Isharo mein. See how romantic they are looking, isn't it, guys? Wow. He's saying something romantic to Priyanka and Priyanka is blushing, guys. See how the kids are playing. Hi, Aishi and Kayan.
Hi.
How is it being on the beach?
Good. We're making double checker.
You are making a double-decker bus.
No, double checker.
Jabal Jais you're making? Wow, they're making Jabal Jais. Aishi, you're also making Jabal Jais?
It was Aishi's idea.
It was Aishi's idea. Wonderful idea, Aishi. Very good kids. Okay. Kayan, you're feeling okay now? My son was not feeling good. But right now you're okay, Kayan?
Yeah.
Aishi, you're having fun, right? Yeah. Okay, guys, so these are the sports we all are playing. You can see throwing off chappals in the sea. Where it's going. And see how he's catching his chappal right there. And the kids are also following him. See. It's all about enjoying. Nice. That was nice. That was nice. Very good. See the little one. She is also willing to go with them. She's very interested to join these three. See, she's walking slowly. So she's a little scared also. Yeah, go baby, go. Go. Yes, go. Very good. Look at them. Don't get wet, otherwise you have to come out of the water because it's really chilly, right? It's really chilled. Guys, let's go and ask that uncle how much they are charging for kayaking. Kayan, is it bleeding again? No. Okay, then move. Come on.
You can see a building.
Come. It is, right? Then come ahead. Wow, lovely water, right, Aishi? Yes. Feeling cold, Babu? It's our time to eat our lunch, whatever we have got. You can see Priyanka's plate. So what we have, Priyanka, can you tell us?
Chutney, yellow rice, paratha and raita.
Okay, and chili chicken. I'll show you chili chicken. This is chili chicken. PD got this for us. So everybody is enjoying. There is a Hindi word कहते हैं कि सूत के खाओ. So everybody is enjoying their food. See the location. And we are eating here. Okay, guys. Guys, now I am asking the husbands about the food, how the food was. The video may be a little dark because they are sitting opposite where the sun is and there is a shade you can see. So I'll ask first my husband, how is the food? They have finished everything, as you can see. Nothing is left. Chili chicken is finished, paratha is finished, rice is finished, raita is finished. You can see this dabba. Everything is finished. So सूत लिया हम लोगों ने. Okay, Papa, how was the food?
All time online.
Lovely. Neeraj Bhaiya, how was the food? And why did you come late today?
No, actually we are just we are stuck actually. We couldn't reach here actually, but
Okay.
you'll have to get a proper.
Did the Google map misguide you?
Yeah, Google Map is not reliable for you.
Okay, so Neeraj Bhaiya says Google Map is not reliable. All right, guys, because when we came here, the security guard also said the same thing. Because yeah, tell me anything else you want to say, Neeraj Bhaiya, about Google Map?
I'll say that today I'll be online forever.
I think it's 3 o'clock already, and it's post lunch time. We had our lunch just now. Guys, it's 4 and still they are not willing to come out of the water. Still, look at them. Look at the enthusiasm still they have. They don't want to come out of water. God knows when they will come out. It's really very chilled, but they are still not. Kayan and Aishi, I think you should come out of the water now. What do you think? Then what do you want to do? Still? You played for a long time now. What now? Ashi, you will come out of the water now? Then? Ouch! No, not on me! Not on me, please. Please, Kayan, not on me, not on me. You are what shark, Kayan?
I'm Grandpa Shark.
You are which shark, Aishi? Grandma. And Ashi, you are which shark? Mommy shark? How you are doing? Can you show me what you three are doing being a shark? What you three are doing being a shark? Aishi and Kayan, show me. Okay, sing. Sing for me. Grandpa Shark is floating. And what about the shark? What about the shark song?
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy
How, Mama? Yes, Mama? It's more than 4, it's 4:15 and we told the kids to come out of the water, but they all are very sad. They don't want to go and change. But now they have to go and change, otherwise it's getting really more cold, you know. Okay, so now it's 5 and it's time for us to have some tea and snacks. Priyanka has got tea from her home and she's serving everyone. Is it hot? It's hot? Ah, it's piping hot. So Neeraj Bhaiya will tell us how is it. It's a kadak chai. So how is the taste, Neeraj Bhaiya? Taste it and tell us. Mast chai hai. So it's going with the view, right, Neeraj Bhaiya? Mast chai hai. And kids are also having snacks. They are having zoo biscuit. They are having cupcakes. They are having they had juices and wafers. What did you have? Huh? See, zoo biscuit they are having.
No, it's cocoa chips cookies.
Okay, Aishi and Ashi, what are you having?
They're having cocoa soup.
Okay. So it's almost sunset time. And so we are having our tea. Yes, this is Amrita's tea. Thank you, Priyanka. Amrita restaurant. Yes, I am Amrita restaurant. It's really yum yum. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Along with kayaking, you also have kite surfing here. I don't know whether you can see it. If I zoom, then the picture will not be that much good. Still, I'm doing it. Just let me know whether you can see it. Can you see that? So kite surfing is also there. I exactly don't know what it is called. If you guys know, please let me know. So you can do this thing also from here. Guys, so it's time to wind our program up and we are going back home now. So I thought, why not end it with a soulful song from my husband.
सागर किनारे दिल ये पुकारे तू जो नहीं तो मेरा कोई नहीं है ओ सागर किनारे दिल ये पुकारे, तू जो नहीं तो मेरा कोई नहीं है। ओ सागर किनारे।
Bye bye, guys. Have fun. May God bless you all.